The views and opinions expressed on this show by the hosts do not necessarily state or reflect those of the channel. Furthermore, the views and the opinions of the guests do not reflect those of the host and the channel. Also, we do not encourage you to try this at home. We are trained professionals who do not have your best interest at heart or our own. Enjoy the show.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Eh?
Just change your style.
Eh?
Nah,
relax, my dog. So, you Milo is nzamu uti explanation ga Ochi just to justify us calling our listeners audience. Are we really calling them that?
It's a cornucopia, my dog.
I mean,
it's a coming together.
well, still, it's a gathering. Try where two or more are gathered.
Because last week
I know what you're there.
Last week is Buzile.
But I like the pod squad.
Yeah,
but it is hip hop, cool.
Ah, but it's a
pod. Asa manika tiana.
Akona manika talk.
But Ralph.
Akona inika.
I was out.
We just arrived, guys.
Come on. I want to be a manika.
A red flag.
Exactly. Yeah.
A red flag. So is it?
Maybe if we can officially let people decide.
No one to decide.
I want to get you audience.
Bafuna audience, but I mean, no, is that on brand for us?
Yeah, when into thing ikhuluma mina ukuthi into sizayikhangela 10 years from now.
Me personally, I won't have any regrets.
There's nothing wrong with growth. We will grow in 3 years. We'll come out and say, guys, we are old because we are rebranding.
Yeah.
Because I'm anticipating within the next maybe 6 years I'll be an SDA pastor dog. So
I will say SDA. Kade Satan fighters give us a
yeah.
No, yakala pele sabati.
Listen, isa itas. Ke o isa itas.
Ngicela ukuthi ubufundisi isa itas lapha mina ngathi.
No.
Imini stream dala.
Ayisiko khona ukudoko. No, mina ngiyabengile main.
Yako iko.
Ngiyabengile main.
Esabathe niko.
I think for me, my favorite one was Pod Squad, but
yeah, Pod Squad.
Once again, it's a bit too hip hop for me.
It doesn't matter.
Welcome to the podcast.
When I Google Facebook, yako upala website kalao o MCMP.
Anze wife.
Nick and
What's up? We profile picture which I track fit.
If you want to know what she was dating, you are dating. You know,
Kalawa just me.
Kalawa
just me. Go to University of Kalawa.
Yeah. That's so easy, boys. That's so easy.
That's why. I mean, I remember when the picture and you take so man gets some gun so. La ma shades amanye ngobole uThembani.
Yes.
Ifoni so ngichibili sasingela ama selfie back in the day.
Manual.
So a picture ngona for some reason yangani mphume ngingu DJ so mbamba my and in the fact up win.
Yeah.
Facebook account yangona like ikhona but anso ngitshela ukuthi lize lapha
You know what? We can give a reward to someone in the comments that will find that.
Bazayithola fan. T-shirt yellow so. Ingakabi ngakachamisa.
It's already. This is already gone.
Yeah. Paras Velagachan. So lapha 10 guys. Audience or Pod Squad?
And I'll say
Podcast.
running.
Pod
Pod
Squad.
Squad.
AKA the audience.
It
can be both,
working
man.
title. It's a working title for now. Maybe. Shit, because
It can be, you know, like how companies do it. It's podcasts trading as the audience.
Or
vice versa,
sesingaba le separate logos in like groups.
Generally,
No,
they
I
can
said
be the
then so.
audience. Then people that subscribe,
And
you
late
know,
top
like
two.
the VIP of the.
Abaza ofuna kuma comments ukuba ku audience uyabhala audience funa ukuba ku pod squad lapha aba ayathola ama comments amaningi.
Yes, isebenza. But yawazi ukuthi audience ngiyozathola like ama
or a poll. We can do a poll. I mean, we've been
Can you do a
tweeting on Twitter. You know, we can do a poll.
On Twitter no, it's
No,
gonna
let's
go
count-
left.
no.
We need people ababukela
one
ku YouTube.
person a comment.
Yeah, so
All right.
if you're tuning in right now,
Tina futhi yakwazi siriki. Kathi kuyihleka.
ngizama ukuthi mina nxa ulaleli
I
guys.
think it's going to be a good election. Is what I'm saying.
Hey, nxa ulaleli right now, please go and comment on YouTube. Usitshele ukuthi ufuna ukubizwa audience or Pod Squad. Right? And shout out to all the people that listened to Kbrizzy last week. Elitshele ukuthi abantu ababukela ngama TV lifike likhommente lithi
Jay members ama
Yimo
TV
TV.
sibulele this
Manengi bro.
njalo.
Eh,
Yebo ngibelokhe ngibona kubhale Yimo TV. Yimo TV.
lama ngicina mbiyela ngasembona lithi lezi zasitshela abantu.
Hey dog. And
Siyabonga abantu bama
abantu
TV.
abenze njalo actually i-episode yona lana ingu number 1. Kuma episode ango 10 esiwenzileyo. That episode is currently number 1 because you did that.
Your engagement.
So again this week we are appealing asifuni into eziningi guys. We don't want money this
sifuna
week.
laba ama VCR.
Sifuna ama VCR.
Lali comment.
Only comments that we want.
Only comments that we want. So
Never
No
give
other
us.
way.
Kwehlule emalini. Kwehlule ukukhotisana nini. Ehlise ama comment nini.
ema commentana nini. Yabo, so guys, what you
But we
did.
are truly moving from strength to strength as a
The
community.
squad say what's up, please.
Yeah.
Sukani WhatsApp.
As a community, we are really moving strength to strength.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
There's this other account that comments all the time. I think it's about twice or thrice now in Mbona. It's the podcast is out. Now my week can start. I don't know who that is. You've seen that, haven't
It always makes my day.
Yeah, it
Because
That's
Ghana
actually
comments.
always does,
To be honest,
yeah.
abanye benu ngile vagina kube sengathi guy. Utrain ngazwakali, tembeni ngazwakali. But
Ever seen that meme? That's like if I had a vagina, the first thing that I'd do is let my nigga smash.
hi, once I get this sex change, all my niggas getting some pussy. And you're coming there, please, bro. That's the one. That's the
Like
one.
kule futhi engayibonayo like remember lena ingani loyiwe so kule private part esandleni la
Uzayifaka ipicture kodwa?
anzo
Hayi
ngifaka
but lena hayi lena ifake.
yenza YouTube yasifleka dog
Uchaya njani indlwabi?
YouTube yasifleka amajita ese xoxa sithi ha ake uzokuthiwa awufa member phela isandla lapho
Wenzani weekend?
wenzani weekend
Uzomajile sithi this weekend he said out of town sikhamba nabantwana athi awuda sakudobha last. Ithi ukudobha last ungena ubone ngamajita road yomoti.
lawo so yabuze bhayizi
Ushuthi
so yeah we appreciate abantu abayenze khonoko guys please don't forget to subscribe so namhla sithini ba comment futhi uthi Yimo TV namhla mele benze something else dog
abuya.
isitshele ukuthi how are you guys doing
I think also they can even do like a whole hashtag thing in TV squad. Ngela.
yeah
Ubukele
TV squad
whatever. Yeah.
Antu bale mali le internet ku TV lina.
ndoda
Kade wena ula.
wase wanthi internet idura njani dog
Bona omnye postele le screenshot se CarPlay dog. Fake Spotify.
CarPlay.
Dog, Spotify is a reach, bro.
basilalela njalo bro
Mina ndana internet ndasefonini ungambuza.
Yeah.
Ndasefonini ngiyastruggle.
and bengikhuluma ngisithi kwamanye ama days ngeke ngifisa ukuba njengo Kbrizzy bro no social media
Kule peace and
just
offline.
vibes
Iproblem wa
yakatholi wifi
Yeah, kuphume offline these days.
yakatholi
But
wifi
uba offline kumnandi guys.
Ushaphi ndoda.
ngavele ngiyabe mpongo ubuya sentshela yile
Yiphi
ngeke ngakwenza
uhlale
idonsele esayidini kuyenze ukuthi into eziningi
Ngiqale ngim-update. Ngiqale ngim-update and i-initiative yokudonate ama-pets is still ongoing guys. Silomuntu obe wazosishiyela iphasela la bamba la. Yabo. Sithe sibuza ukuthi imbani ibizo lakho bathe ubuye egqoke uniform eyi-black and white. Abasitshela
that's all they said
yeah. So you know
umuntu yabethunyiwe maybe I don't know.
Yeah,
We'll
othume-
try and find out who it was.
othume umuntu
on
kade
qamba idate namuhla Thursday 20 what today is Thursday the 26th of October so
Yeah.
obuye wazodropa lawa of
Shout out to you.
yeah, but
we,
shout out
we
to
don't
you.
mind if that's something you'd want to do. You can leave your name, and then we can send you a shout out and say thank you very much.
Yeah, but thank you very much for donation. We are appealing to each and every person who's watching or donate. Please, guys, we really need this. So yeah, we would
And I'm
appreciate.
sure as we get closer to even the actual time of giving away, services more information to kind of give you guys
Yeah.
on really what's actually happening and to kind of quantify.
I was actually planning to see the episode we would have Mundowazi, like in detail what's currently happening with the pet crisis because it is actually
An actual crisis.
a crisis. Yeah. So
Yeah, also I feel like this has been like a show of people that walk the talk. On social media, I'm a feminist, bro. People that have something to say about so many things to do with like women and so on. But bakhona abantu abazithuleleyo nje that feel like their contribution to the struggle is donating pet. So yeah, walk the talk, guys. Feminist, ningadlulwa yithi ama misogynists.
huh? Misogynist kimang.
Ithangu ini. Huh?
Wenzani uyamasaja abantu uthi ngalo.
Yeah, uthani?
Kule video ngayibona. Enye video ngayibona ku TikTok umichere sithi etshela umembe sithi umisogynistic. Yabo umembe wabuza wathi yini imisogyny. Wayengakhuluma uchere.
La ngobehlula.
I feel like abantu abaningi bathanda ukusebenzisa ama terms la ku
I
social
don't know what
media.
it means, dog.
Yeah.
Abawazi ukuthi kujona bro.
Listen to Jane.
Ukuthini?
Never mind.
Umuntu ozonde umuntu ongatholiyo actually.
Yimi
That's my
man.
definition.
misogyny.
Hi.
A guy who doesn't get pussy.
Hayi wena ukhuluma ngelokhu zenini la.
Ngani?
Yabona man.
Wena
Yoma
ukhuluma
social media
Misogyny.
yeah yoma social media lokuzini meaning.
Mina ngiyasupport anjilo lo uyadefine ngendlela afuna ngayo.
No particularly yani isikole ukuthi ungayibhala
It's like
uyachazela.
what? Niggas who don't get pussy want to wake up and govern what people with actual pussies should do.
Oh yes. So
Yini misogyny mtana?
Mina into engiyaziyo ukuthi the
By the way,
opposite of
we have a lawyer in the house today.
Yeah,
guys.
yeah.
We have a
Fuck the
lawyer
lawyer.
in the house.
fire utobetse lapho.
Not owe lokuzeni you know we tawini. We Alibaba oyish.
So
Why ukhulume khale mina? Mina ngathi ngiyazi la. Ngathi njani?
No joke.
boy bengicabanga uqale wayimani.
Alapha ngozingenile la.
Check uthibilikile wathi oy Alibaba we wish.
Akufaka leyana lethi shots fired leyana ithi pop pop.
kuthiwa lilwa le Eunice liyakubuza lethi
They be like this. Sala sithi Kbrizzy bachele. Ngililwa le vali so Whoa.
Lawyer le Shane.
Yeah, so sile lawyer namhlela amaqini. Sile mbuzo sizayibuza vele. I think le mbuzo eminingi sihlala sifuna ukuyibuza.
Awu bathi asiyantshuma la.
Yeah,
The most part siyantshuma la.
lapha vele sengizisola lo ukuthi bedinga
But as labana would divine misogyny.
nah mina bengifuna ukuthi the opposite ka feminism I think it's chauvinism. Is it not? So that was a wrong term used.
Sinasejule ngicela nitenze lidefine la.
Iyahambelana.
Ngiyahambelana.
Ipoint yami ngidriver lapha ukuthi abantu basebenzisa ama
Ama-terms,
terms
yeah.
because of i-trend.
Hayi, misogyny is
Ralph
mostly-
misogynist.
Abantu yabona thina very traditionally i-African culture is very misogynistic. Ubaba ngubaba.
Really?
Yeah, it is. ATR or not ATR, African culture. Khona ukuthi ubaba uya, you know, akula equality of gender so to speak.
Kuthiwa mama bahlale
Mina
phansi.
eqinisweni i-quality
Bengangeni
angiyifuni,
kwezinye
shem.
indawo.
But ukuthi chauvinism, I think it's now just semantics. It's like what's the other word? Lokuyana ukuthi amabala for to grand lo large
Oh.
Yeah, I'm a synonyms ankhona.
synonyms. That's the one.
Okay. So abafuna ukudonate ama-pads ba drop off eZulu Fashion House, or they can contact Mthokozisi on these numbers. +263 78 523 9734. +263 78 523 9734, or email us at ByoPodcast99@gmail.com.
Thank you, Sabo.
With that being said, kulento engiyithungile ngumngane wami uJane. Emfuna ukuyibala la. The closer you are to the next level, the more the chaos inside. Since your mind is the last to accept the changes within you, it may be unsettled and may even fight against you, leaving you confused. This situation is natural and normal. Persevere and push through it. The process will increase your inner strength, build your inner foundation, and eventually your mind will accept and act like nothing happened. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen.
boys and girls, welcome to another episode of the
Ngicela
BYO
nisitshayele
podcast.
umgcini izandla namhlanje ubale kahle umngane wami.
I'm practicing video. I'm practicing.
Anokeni imkhothise.
Sebenzithathela umsebenzi.
Practice video nguma facts.
Mpractice video yonke doku ukuthi into le iphume sharp. But yeah, welcome to another episode of the ByoPodcast. Ingxoxo 99
Greatest on the planet, baby.
coming at you live from the only fashion boutique that makes sense in the city of kings and queens, Zulu Fashion House. Babu yabazothenga?
Yes.
Sikuyathenga.
Eh?
Sikuyathenga.
Khona ngikudobadoba ngeke ukukhuluma la.
Yeah.
Ngoba balakho konke. Ungakudobadoba ungeke uhambe utshela abantu ukuthi udobadobile.
Ngiyakwenza phela ukuthi usuhamba usuclaim lapho usukuthi wena uthengile. Uyabona uyabona.
Yabo.
Yeah. Ngiyabonga. But yeah, libuye Zulu Fashion House. Guys, lizo shop la. Libatshele futhi ukuthi libone thina. Yabo kuyasinceda ukuthi siphenduke next week sizo recording
Ifedi ngicini kasebenzi la.
Ekathi ugcina so manager.
Uzothenga lifike athi umgcini.
Kathi ugcina ungahappy kanti. Okay Kbrizzy.
Ifedi phela ngicini ku podcast yabisithi ishop yakhe.
Ugcina besithi shop yakhe. So
Kodwa umuntu ayakhuluma njalo nje ke ukuthiyela ibomba.
hapha rebebulele ngeyuma.
Ayabulele.
Babe beyasala
Becafu ukuthi alamanga wethu.
bechazeke. But otherwise, how are you guys doing? Are you guys okay? Everyone okay?
Yeah, we're nice.
Yeah, as a podcast, we would like again to congratulate Kbrizzy for hosting the Byo Sneaker Expo. Yeah, push a sharp, right?
Yeah.
Tina, we are all about giving each other flowers to Sapil. So we'll continue doing that every week. Congratulations.
Nice.
Thank you, gentlemen. But very before we go any further, Saga and Sibeni, those guys know how to put an event together.
Sure do.
What is Tawin? Our exclusive events.
Yeah.
Oh Diva, Labo Bats, that shit was crazy, bro. It was
Massive,
crazy.
bro.
How was the event? Like
I was
overall.
dope. It was amazing, bro. I was told. Now, I thought even maybe I'm small-minded when it comes to those things. I really thought it was just gonna be matafu. But most stalls are gonna actually had texture to them. Job.
Creativity.
Yeah, there was creativity. Ma graffiti, ma what, ma photo booth, ma what. Don't blind, bro. It felt like it was. It didn't feel like.
No, you looked happy to be there. I mean,
Yeah. I want to have a chair.
stage presence, bruh.
I was fucking happy.
I was cutting
Into
confidence.
oli go manjani guys. Go manjani oli.
Here's what's crazy.
Yeah.
Ever since I stopped drinking, people used to say, bro, are you going to host an event to sober? Because you know that's the going rate in the industry. You can't have to be drunk to do shit on stage.
Yeah.
But I was sober as tits, bro, the whole time.
You were high on yourself.
Dog, it was just
That's the
me
end goal,
doing my
bruh.
thing.
Congrats. That's the end goal.
Uchwara bas juta, bro.
It's all in the mind.
Ah.
That's what I told him about.
All in the mind.
But anyway, so I think I had announced, I don't know if I had announced, I didn't announce on the podcast, but I had mentioned Duguti, we were running
A giveaway.
a raffle. So you could buy a ticket for $5, win yourself a brand new pair of All Stars.
Only.
So I did stage in I think we'll play with DJ Liz. And then I sang announce with DJ. Right? So I let in number. I'm old. And
up to now, man, it's still,
Bro.
yeah.
Very Liz was the first one. I didn't Liz was like, say that again. Nothing like we might be onto something here. Then
I've got a shout out also in that regard.
Yeah.
Towards the end of the event, I noticed something that was really beautiful. I think Unospa was a host as well.
Cheers.
Yakwanisa ukubuya zobuza. Kabuya zobuza.
Ngumbuzo ama-oli.
Belibuza.
Sila Nhlombe ngawo. Come this side.
Come through.
Come this side.
Come
Give it-
through.
Give you the mic. Give you the mic.
Hello.
Yeah, speak on the mic.
Hey,
hello.
Belibuzani.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Oh, we are well, thanks. Yeah, boy. So like,
Yahlabelela.
yeah.
Beyonce.
You're Beyonce la.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what we do. We come here and sing every Thursday.
Wow.
Yeah.
I used to see every Thursday.
What? Oh, every Thursday.
ngibona thina
Ifaka nilo kuzinini.
Bonfake lokho.
Ukwenza ukuthi silizwe sharp.
Uzivoice
Yeah, well, so yeah.
Sikubheka apha.
Oh.
Oh.
So what I was saying is, yeah, we usually come here every Thursday to come and sing. Yeah.
Yes.
And we are on YouTube, Spotify, Apple Podcast. Speak on the mic. Speak on the mic. Speak on the mic.
Don't want to join.
No, like can't you wanna get Sisubilo was join us so.
Auditions.
Is this like audition?
Usu kona penele audition so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I know because he wins I.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
But I know. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming in and saying. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I know you can always come and check what we do. Sing about this card, but it's so many straight. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, you're saying, Doc.
Oh yeah, I was saying that Ukabelo, right? At some point, I don't know whether that was scripted or that was planned, but at some point you were co-hosting Lonos, but that was some really
That just
stuff.
happened. Yeah.
It just I know I could feel like that was just spur of the moment.
Yeah.
And yeah. You guys. It's very rare because like I'm a host manning like they really like step on each other's toes. They don't know how to compliment each other. But
Yeah.
I mean that was different, man. So yeah, I wanted to shout you guys out for that.
Nice one.
Yeah.
I appreciate that. You guys talk. It really just happened. It was kind of like a spur of the moment thing. He was on stage. I think he was doing his set, and Dr. Liz. It was during DJ Liz's set, and then they were alternating, and then I just also came on stage. It was vibes, but also it's because but it was a really good event, bro. It was a really good event. We gave out oli, and then in Davara Putwenko, bro. Do you know that guy? Ngambona
That's when we were backstage.
first-
But before that, he was at Garden of House. That was Garden of House.
And this guy was front row, dog.
Yeah.
And
And Nekonapana, they say that he's been to the previous one as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could ubunandi lana we Sophie ifuna ubunandi nge-main vein lana ifuna ukuthi so
Jail zamani kuna. Funkia. I know it's fine.
It's cool.
yayibamba ubunandi nge-main vein imember la ngase ngiyibona futhi I think ngayibona emurumba. So that day when I saw him for the third time I was like I know this guy, I always see this guy here.
Yeah.
He was trending. You made him trend.
And yeah, you guys actually looked for him afterwards, didn't you?
Yeah, those guys, all diva, they found him.
And I feel like we should do a special shout out to the photographer.
Oh yeah.
I'm a picture in a sharp lana dog. Like, and think a picture on it. Sometimes I want to say when I speak is Kbrizzy man. So ngokuya ngesikhathi lesikhathi mele uhlala sibonakala lesihlelile lapha ku podcast sithi mtiti wakho yena So shout out to Kanya Media for taking clean pictures.
Those were amazing pictures, bro.
Yeah.
Acheke yonke into. Ngabona futhi kulama drones omele lama footage azaphuma lami.
Yeah.
But I was really good. And also, there was a really good crowd there, bro, because we did have an issue Mgcini at some point in the night. There was like 40 minutes where music wasn't playing. And people just hung out and drank and just did their shit.
I feel like you go ngena khona intelligence yabantu like
And your
our
stage
crowd
presence
yabo.
as well.
Yeah.
If you're a shit host, bruh.
Plus abantu nxa bebe
There's a-
happy bro. Yeah.
Bezokholi sound wasihlalela until sound yaphenduka and iphenduka zakhala.
Everything was good.
Yeah. Want to say something?
Yeah, off Rembambi channel, just a little sidebar.
Feel like says offer mbe vele kakhulu lapha.
But
want to buy
happened to my events. You know, it's something that I've never really found the right platform to ask it, so I'll ask it here, guys. Is there a porn industry in Zimbabwe? Sakhuluma media. Do you guys think it's there?
We are all participants.
Nah, dog.
I mean, first of all, is it legal?
Nigga, I'm joking.
No, definitely it's not.
It's not.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah, it's not. It's not. It's not
Okay,
legal.
all right. But is it there?
La imbuzi yakho ndoda ukuthi
Anyabuza nje.
Why are you trying to make
Ufuna
people
uya-
snitch
ufuna
lapha
uya
ku
ekhitha
podcast?
lapha
I call it girls, so no one is gonna kufana ukuthi kulabantu bathengisa ama drugs.
ufuna sikhulume
We
noma
know
sikwenza
things
so
happen.
yeah, bro.
But
I
you
need
can't-
to like out Twitter accounts, whatever. I'm just saying, like, do you guys think it's there? If you were to go on a certain site and say Zimbabwean porn, would something come up?
Have you googled?
I haven't. That's what I'm asking.
ukuthi ungayenza njalo ke kuyaphuma eZimbabwe but
Pokelo.
maybe beyishutela kwenye indawo. Ngeke eZimbabwe phela.
La uthutsha ngamanye ama angles esinga.
That was my question, guys. Yeah. Anyway.
Umbana nje ufuna ukukhuluma before ucabanga idoti yakho la.
I think besakhuluma ama
Sijwayela
events.
lethu.
Besakhuluma ama events.
Yeah, right. So sithi amagetsi ahamba.
Yeah.
Remember lezi agcina sezimplagisa kakhulu lezi. Eish.
Manini, vele bese ngikhohle ukulitshela. Hey. Oh. This man was drunk. This man.
Ndoda.
Ngathola i-voice note yakho ngayithola ekuseni. Oh, i-message. Yeah. Usithi Jekulo Ralph ungabu Ralph. Uyangabona sebekudinga. Something is wrong.
Ralph bra ngiyeza i-voice note yana eyayithunyelwa ku WhatsApp esithi bro, where are you? I'm sending the driver to come pick you up.
Damn.
Of the Lambo.
Bro,
lapha-
driver of the Lambo. What are you
njani
saying?
ekuseni sesinilalelisa
Ngahle ngathi hayi.
Waba le nhloni usuyilalele.
Ngahle nhloni.
Ngahle ngathi hayi.
Ralph
police.
wayedakiwe lokho yanto singawukhala emehlweni so ifuna ukuthi. Wonder this man is drunk.
But I don't know. It's actually nice ukuthi ama event that are curated locally are being successful like that.
Bro,
And
that event was really good, bro.
yeah, nguzukhuluma ngama drone siwa lama drone ngikhumbula.
Kwakulama lezi moto ezazi
Ezinye story engakhohlwa litshela sona. Ngafika emfena ngimfa yabo. So kwakuthathwa i-video nge-drone. Yo. So kuleli uncle elalikhanya lifike uqala like ku gravesite yabo. Uncle lithi hayi lingami ngapha kule news. Angela lithi lingami ngapha kule news. Abantu bamuva sibili yabo. But then sathi silokhu simile dog. Umbone li drone.
Malume.
umgcini wamanga
Vari nginitshela true story nje. Ngitshela ivari nje.
Semfeni ingaqaleke umalume.
Angutsheli nje.
Umalume kanti ngumgcini
Ah,
khona.
twice,
Kanti umgcini
yeah.
abantu bakubiza bani ku social media?
That's why. But ayikho khona kuyena okwenzakalayo. Then ngosohamba nje.
ningamelinga hayi
What ngicela ningamiki ngapha. That time ngangimuzwa siwilani. But ngangekho short win. Then wasiqalisa ungani ubuya
wathi
lapho
maybe
kulaba.
izinyosi zakhona
inyosi zangikhona sezilandela abantu njani futhi
Remember wayasuka kini company bale kanjani lisayona
Mina-
technology le
mina ngesikhathi ngisevarsity lapha ngesikhathi ngangithanda sensi laptop yakho laptop yami to be honest yayingcolile yona kwesikhathi ngiyabukela ngabo khulumi laptop isenamadonje namasuphu
Bona ule nuclear iqamukile so
ngene ku space bar yabo
amadoda yabuchapa abantu
lela sihlezi
inuclear iqhamukileyo
lebe ngene ku space bar ndoda sihlezi lavana sisedini lapha nganomdala wami ngibamdala le yina chile sase ngivula laptop yami umdala ethi bheki la uclean laptop ndoda kuyinto ndiye hayi mfana akho right lokho ubopho nguthatha la umgano lamanzi lesepha nje uchacha
wayikhuluma serious
wengajoki che wengajoki wenje hayi mfana uboba clean mfana ngokuthatha ungamanzi kulesepha uchacha ile ngaba uzithulela che sakhela nomdala nenze ukuthi okay
hayi ubopho ukuthi hayi
sesovela impilo la
ngizayenza so on the same day bekule event adisenzakala on the same day Byo Sneaker Expo was happening. There was a young Stunna show.
Shorts and shades.
The people were left stunned when young Stunna did not show up.
The young people were left stunned.
the young people is
What happened, guys? Like what happened?
You got bars like that.
What happened that day, that night?
Ralph
I don't know, bro.
Ralph
I wasn't even there.
mina nisana khuluma ukuthi ngadakiwe madoda
Ngikhuluma ngudakwa kwakhe. Ngikhuluma ngudakwa kaRalph and wayedakiwe kulokhu zengu Sneaker Expo. I'm not sure if he told you that after that we then went to Shorts and Shades.
Khathi
For
ma
quite some time.
yakwazi lezi zathi ngathi ngitshayisana la ze shorts and shades lezi
Sachayisana lo Mayibongwe futhi.
Man lina phela mina ngadriver ngafika qala shorts and shades
Yeah.
lina lathi lifika
Yeah.
dog I'm not making this shit up ngababuza kumbe ka10 they never gave me a straight answer
Yeah.
imoto eno yayimanzi
Akuzingizulu nje la
ngaphi akusekunizulu ka10
no
let me give you the proper answer.
sa driver to la mama spring
Like umuntu asichaya someone in Famona, right? And there wagulama sprinkler yabo. So the way it happened and
amajethu
Sadi
lemoto
Sadi
tonta
when I saw the first time, the sprinkler then hit one side of the car, and then when the car is turned around going
Opposite
out of the
direction,
street, it then hit the other side of the car. So it looks like the whole car had water
Done.
on it.
I
But no.
noticed imoto emanzi
This is a
Tusha le moto emanzi but imoto emanzi asiyindaba yesegudwini la lithi kuhamba njani kuya ngstand
balamanga babeseyachiya umuntu osprinkle imoto
kodwa umzakibi wasiphaya bathi sihlekani hamba nini
yabuza mina lithi kuhamba njani kuya ngstand
Umdida asifungikhuluma ngoyangstana.
kuhamba njani kuya ngstand guys what happened
So anyway, this is the official story. Legend has it that he didn't show up, and so this is how it happened. Right, I'm piecing stories. I'm piecing together like recollections
Pieces of
the event
information.
from when I was there and after I had left.
Yeah.
Right. He postmortems and Sugil. I think we left around maybe midnight thereabout.
Yeah.
know, and I think Niger to Soul was about to play. So unfortunately, I think he then but around between 1 o'clock and 1:30 in the morning, people started throwing missiles onto the stage because I mean as good as
amabhodlela
yeah, you know, bulawe embarrassed us.
abafana basebechekela amabhesi
no but mina kulelo kuze nini kule mini version yestory ngayizwa mini version yestory ngayizwa
Also, good job. Yeah, like who keeps up with Niger to Soul status updates? He likes posting like we picture.
ishete shopeni
Also, good job.
mina ngokuzwa kwami okwenzakalayo ngosuku loba
Yeah.
and lokhu sokuli rumor futhi selivela from the organizers team anso ngikhuluma ukuthi ngithi ngezwe ngobani because I'm funa
Yeah.
uattach amabizo qotha into akwenza ukuthi ngikhuluma amabizo abantu
Yeah, vele ungakhuluma amamizi abantu and yikho ngilapha vele.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've gone corporate. We got a lawyer on the premises.
To protect us.
Don't fuck around.
Yabo, so ngingase ngikhulume any names. Into yenzakalayo lapha. Uyangistana wabuya eZimbabwe wafika sibili. Yabo? Uyangistana wayehamba lo Kabelo, lo Mgcini, lo Ralph. Yabo? Sebefikile laphana uyangistana cleared. Maybe uKabelo like cleared. But uMgcini lo Ralph
Sebechisa.
kongani kulento enganda icaca ukuthi bona bakho cleared.
Yeah.
Yabo? So ukuthi bangene manje akusanjani? Akusayenzi. Yabona event organizer angazi kumbe nguye wase suggest ukuthi no, why not bangene as visitors abantu laba, because bro singahambe as sonke lapho sijelo ngene as visitors dog. Ungahambe as like
Mawubhukiwe kodwa babe nxa uzosebenza wenza imali. You need a temporary work.
No, like so. Let's let Mgcini finish. Then I'll explain further what he's saying. Yeah.
Yabo? So
Yeah.
yekela bangene as what? Yekela bangene as visitors because vele bazozihlalela.
Uzotshela nje.
Umuntu ozoperforma ma ngiyamstana maybe.
Yeah.
Lo Kbrizzy because ngu DJ wakhe.
Yeah.
Yabo?
Laba bayi2 laba.
Immigration to kanjani? Immigration yathi try. Yabo? Then kwasokusenzakala ukuthi uyangistana wathi mina nxa wathi izimember zami azingeni
Asichaneni lakho.
asishaneni lakho, then base bevumelana lo promoter, then wase
Oh yeah.
buyela. Yisi story esenzakalayo sona lesi.
That's crazy.
And then to add flesh to the story, right? Uyangistana wabuya lapha vele esengumuntu ophuzileyo. He took the last flight of the day coming here, which I don't think was supposed to happen. Like, I won't lie, I'm already biased. The promoter may be at fault, but I feel like Labo, if I then explain what I've heard, team yake, there's some blame that lies at their feet.
But who booked the flights?
Ama-artist nje
Exactly.
uBenchester ujayele ukubathatha ngama-1-1 khathi indaba laba bona kwaze kwachaya ama-6 lokhu.
Wafika kodwa
Akufika
Mina ngabona ama-Insta stories akhe se-OR.
Yeah.
Ifaka iflake eZimbabwe ese-OR barakazi.
uyangistana ngombo
Because
Benchester.
udadewabo
Nambuza
washibile.
ukuthi Benchester. No, mina mbuza ukuthi Benchester wafika yini.
No,
Hayi, uBenchester waye kusneaker ngani.
No, but at some point he actually he did get to the airport. Legend has it.
Ayipaso
Mina so kuchila anyazi ngezwe ngobani. Ngezwe ngayo ibenches esevela khona. Wathi amdala siqine ngeSneaker Expo. Because it was weird. It happened at I think 10 o'clock ntambama. Ngabona ubenches ngena kuSneaker Expo ethwele cooler box.
But they didn't
What shot do you know?
What
What?
high?
But they didn't
Yeah, anyway. Yeah.
but at the last flight of
Yeah,
the day.
so they arrived here late.
Who booked the flight?
I don't know if ufuna yena upromoters buye sozikhulumela lapha.
Yeah, lapha
Yeah.
we're not privy to that information.
Yeah.
So it's manga. But I'm saying that already, like if you know that young Stunna is supposed to perform on this particular day, it would make sense that in the event that there are any hiccups at the airport, let him come early. You know, something about the fuck up phambili, and at least we've got time to sort it out.
Ngiyeza uthi awustana uthi efika airport bathi mfana uyaphi nduna engaka. In this country. Whoa, get me set up with you.
Where are you going?
Man, are you gay? You look gay with.
So anyway, and so they arrived here. I think that was around 7 o'clock, if I'm not mistaken. Befikile laphana. When artists come here, they're given something called a temporary employment permit.
That one.
Yeah, bo. TEP. Let's just call it that for argument. TEP, right? And TEP yake ubhale ibizo lakhe. Then names that he had also submitted prior, if I'm not mistaken. Abantu abaziwayo ukuthi utravela lo muntu. Bazosebenza la.
Yeah.
And those names were there. Those names were cleared, actually. Yeah. Well, but if you listen to the voice note yake that he then sent, the people that he came with, are not the people that are on the TEP. You know. So now the question is, was this...
MJ.
You know what I mean? You know, so anyway, fast forward the story. He's cleared. Of course, he's the artist. Yeah. But however, because they're not the people that are on the TEP.
Stunna
But a
komele
simple-
ngini lapho
a
Ryan
simple-
Sinto wezamchayela.
Yabo.
Ryan
Ufani.
Sinto wayamsothela.
As long as ingamtshintshela ingirider phela hayi
Yeah, futhi
As long as ingamtshintshela ingirider ayadlala.
Otherwise why ubuya le USB niku Ryan. Ryan
Hwa, hwa,
ibabidi.
hwa.
Ndoda into encane. Anyway, but then there's a story yokuthi why it was simple. If these people are not on the TEP, allow them in as visitors. Andi kabalandanga uzosebenza.
Yeah, dog.
That's what the story goes. Nxabe ngalandanga uzosebenza, just let them in as visitors. But
Because it's not like Ibulawa is that deep, bro. Ukuthi
Yeah.
wena uxoxa abantu ukuthi bangangeni.
you know what
Ujani
you know
Ibulawa?
what simply
sorry
do.
ngicabanga reference kule enye show ka Kid X i-clearance yakhe ayizange yaba straight but wangena
a visitor.
And you know what they
Ungene
do? What they do, they'll tell you ukuthi sizakuyekela ungene. But if we go to this show and we find these people working, uzaba le smoke. We will then detain you.
Bana
You know.
khona
Kanti
Jela.
Lapha
manje,
I'm speaking advised by our
as an
law.
artist, ngawuza, as an
yeah.
artist, when do they determine you're working or not? Ngoba ibhizinisi
No, hayi,
yadropa,
bengafika kulo
uStunna
kuze-
ethi, yeah, susebenza. Ari kushanda uyu.
You know.
But no.
So that happened,
that's
and unfortunately, then the decision for them to turn back was actually taken by Stunna and his team. Obviously, he was like, "Hi, nxa ukuthi mina akuyenza ukuthi ngiqhubeke la
With the
majita.
boys.
It doesn't make sense for me to go into a foreign country ngiyi-one. You know what I mean? It doesn't make sense.
Ngenduna enga ngazaleka.
Ngiyazaleka, bro. Uhlaba ama-Crocs. You
But
know
when
what I
you
mean?
talk,
So then they turned around babuyele eNdazula.
I would understand with immigration in a country like a developed, the economy functioning to behave like that, bro. Ine khona kobulayo ongazivalele umuntu ukuthi ayaloku ngena as a visitor, dog.
Tafike China shift chicken in nabane khona.
Bra.
Uzokhona mahara lawe.
Ogunye, it's also when it comes to the things that were then said at the airport there, right?
Yeah.
They have to make a declaration. Balogi declaration form look what is your profession? Lan. See, young Stunna is here to perform. Then next thing, he doesn't have a DJ or a manager or what who is there on the TEP.
Yeah.
Then there's someone ohamba laye, and it's a squad. It's a whole squad, you know. Squad goals.
Amachita,
Then
Zimbabwe boy.
sepalisa ukuthi, what do I do for a living? I'm a DJ.
But
So
here
the
I'm
assum-
visiting.
But here I'm visiting. So the assumption is that
I look suspicious. It's a
yeah. So they have to give you what Vuyi was talking about. They have to give you this paper that says, okay, we're allowing you in, but then in the event that you then do certain work, then siyakubamba.
Sikuthola ubambile ebuthongo.
Then usuthola ukuthi one of them then signs ukuthi I'm a cameraman.
Cameraman.
So when you say cameraman already, it's a red flag in Zimbabwe because you have to be cleared by the Media Commission as well. So yabona. Awungeke ungene uzothatha ama pictures nje kuphela la.
But yini esifihlayo
It's just regulation.
But you know what the funniest thing?
thina
Do you know
amapicture.
what the funniest thing is? The funniest thing is security is tight when it comes to these shows. But when these guys are smuggling 10 kgs in gold, bro, everyone's looking to the side.
No comment.
Oqeda ukukhuluma lokho umunye lomzimba omkhulu. Ozithembileyo la. Umude.
Sibaningi silama mpabanga la kodwa yena mude.
But yena mude.
Awunezaminele esikhula fast.
Aye phambi kwekamera ukukhanya ukuthi mbani
I mean, I feel like the record will
Ghost him,
state.
ghost him.
But
It's
like
straight.
all right. Ngiyalizwa lena lapha ngathi vele si blame young Stunna thina as promoters. Sesivumile ukuthi thina lapha vele
That's just one side of the story.
yeah. But then lapha sengikhulume la umgcini dog.
Othenga iticket like
Umgcini kakho ku Instagram, kakho ku Twitter, kakho ku social media bro. Ubone ilokuzenini i-flyer emachipsini
yeah,
laphana
yeah,
like
yeah.
idlula wabona ukuthi kule show enje ngeday enje
wavaya kukhotama
Wahamba.
wathenga amashoti
Wathenga-
lamazaza
wathenga amashoti lama
Basha uniform.
order Galaxy Boy mntana.
like waqokela event dog
Galaxy Boy kade. Emaxhosa.
wathenga iGalaxy Boy abese fika ku event laphana young Stunna kakho akala information yona leyo thina esilayo ke
Vele
What happens?
Information le la say when sesizwa post event.
yeah plus futhi information lay the same people told abasoke bayizwa
Yeah.
Expo guys
Baza debate ukuthi Galaxy Boy kumbe Galaxy Boy. Anyway.
Girl ex-boy.
Yeah.
You know,
Galaxy boy. Galaxy boy.
That's-
That's culture.
now what I'm
that's
saying
Girl
is that
ex-boy.
what I
Yeah.
what
That's a
is
story for another day, guys.
Hey, what is-
Singaluzi into esikhuluma ngayo la. Samukhuluma la.
Bayanya laba.
Ugcine segqokile i-Galaxy
Bayanya
boy.
laba.
Le short lamazazi.
Eh, sengihambile
Ngicela ukuthi nxa sengilayo ngithengile iGalaxy Boy. It's my ad.
sengihambile kulokuzeni ku-event yasingasenzakali
Yeah. So
mbani othatha i-accountability yokuthi isho ibe yi-flop abantu babhadalile imali and siyakwanisa yena ukuthi sihambise siwa ama-promoters for that.
All right. So a remedy for that, which I would then suggest, and I did suggest it, right, is nxa ukuthi wena as a promoter, as the main promoter of the show, you're saying that because of information that I'm privy to, it wasn't my fault. But you accepted money from people. The best thing that you can do is offer them a free show. At the very least, other people, what they do is go above and beyond. They say, all right, your tickets were $10, we're giving you $5 back, we're giving you $10 back, whatever it is. But now is a refund. Then you probably officially owe people another show on the house. All they need to do is bring their young Stunna tickets or whatever, but yeah.
This is the opinion yegqwetha.
Yeah, when you put it like that, let's look at past events. Has that ever happened? I mean, there's the other event where performers didn't pitch up. Yeah, and
I
then-
saw you futhi understand.
Quite a number of
quite a number of
events,
events.
It flopped, yeah.
But
Quite
look
a number
at
of events.
Zagara, look here.
Yeah.
But then at least there is a certain show. I can't remember who exactly the promoters were, but there was an official a notice afterwards to apologize and something like that. People were promised something, it never came to fruition, right?
Yeah.
So Uguti City, people will be given a free show.
You wishful thinking.
Okay,
But then what can people then sue?
Yeah,
Right?
can people then sue?
Then sue? Unfortunately, in this event, if you were to sue for this event, you'll be suing against me, and I don't know what you
What's going on, boys? What's going on, boys? We got Johnny Cochran in the house, ladies and gentlemen.
uRimo ngelockdown amapholisa avala ishow yakhe ngeindaba zekhefu eHarare Major League yabuyela yabi promise ukuthi yaphendwa kwaba le free show. So nxa kuyi relationship and land artist liqinisesa ukuthi libhadalile kahle, you can always book him ama flights akhe then lenzi ilokuzen clearance leya then
Simthole kahle ke lesi ngamambodlela kwamaqini.
But nxa kwabulento ezishedshede sokuchita.
Stunna vele senganiso ukuflophe kabili la.
No,
Like sikhumbuzana ukuthi ishow yeblawa ye-Major League. Oh my God.
Yeah, there was a boy.
Yeah, you know, I always feel like as an event, bro, as an event organizer and promoter, I've always felt like that Major League show just open up everything, not just for Bulawayo, but even Zimbabwe at large. Bro.
But singabalekelini
but
manje
anyway.
into engikhuluma ngayo. Izimali zabantu ke.
Sawutshelile ukuthi kunzima likhuluma iligqwetha la.
No, igqwetha lona lithe nxa sihamba sisiyakulwa
Lithe
la.
unrealistic. Sesingakufisela. I'm paraphrasing.
But
Sesingakufisela on
then
paper
Ralph
but
also said that is something that has happened before. You
And
know.
when
So
in
now
then-
ukuthi i-promoter the promoter that you're trying to hold accountable ngumuntu elimthembayo ukuthi engathi alright uYoung Stunna uzabuya ngelinye ilanga or whatever artist that I'm bringing to you another time is going to give you a free show.
Because
then it's fine. So
because i-crisis esikhona bro. Ama flop anje azaqhubeke senzike bro. Abantu bahambisa izimali. And yabona i-payment system ekhona unfortunately i-cash lokuzeni i-payment.
Yeah, cash.
Imali yakho ingahamba sihambile akufana nalo.
Siyakumlaya stars lapha.
Sensithi phoza. Mina phoza lapha sesisuka
man, I don't know.
Ewo ngizabe ngibamba iskipa yabona uYoung Stunna
Kanti vele
zabo.
khona vele ukurefunda kasebenzisa ukurefundela $10 yonke. Angithi okunye i$10 lena phela ibiyivenue ibingamanye ama DJ ibingazo $10 kaStunna yedwa.
But in-
Singakukhalculate siyakunika $70 futhi. Sona kaStunna lapha no $10 akuyi$70.
But mina abantu umbuzo endichila wona ukuthi into le izenzakala kuze kube nini like ukuthi kuyaqhubeka dokho ukuthi
Mina personally
kuyaflop ama event so abantu izimali zabo sezihambile.
I personally think it's some of these things are unavoidable. Vele it's not every event that's gonna go smoothly. Lawe every event, every No, the events even get cancelled in the
That's
States.
crazy.
Ngathi
I've been
bona kuhlula le
counting so
mtshato,
figure
ndoda.
6 and ngathi badelele ibhlawa yodwa.
Well, Tina
Oh, it's the same. Yiwaphi lawo? Wona bani?
you see, now if we have a pattern, I've been saying this kuluma generally, in the event where an event flops, do people get refunded? I'm saying when allow is power, you must also understand sometimes these things happen. But allow you are also in a
But I
you're
think
part of
lawo
that system.
I think okunye la sisingakubamba i-condemn njengomuntu obhadalayo imali ukwazi ukuthi i-brand lona later the same artist have done the same thing before and now you continue to. But again, some of these people bro don't have social media.
Keep
They
going
don't
back
know.
to the toxic ex.
They don't know though.
Ngoba indaba le-
Already sharp. Ngizazama next time.
Indaba-
And into okuthiwa abantu into ecaphula abantu kakhulu yazigwini. Yebo ke oyekhona that year bambi mic. At some point wathi okay.
indaba le nakayizwa.
Okay, abantu bathi chukuthi phela standard
Iphuzu lina.
and abantu bro sebemelele dog
Yeah,
ukuthi
yeah.
extend
I mean, it's 1:30 in the morning, bro.
Seyinaji
The
wona
next
uthi
act
okay.
should be-
Umembe backstage wathi
Ndoda.
senzani.
Sushaywe elok. Uyangitsana wakamboni.
Lokhuyani kuwafa
But
abantu lava.
however, I feel like some part of me feels like that event could have gone on even without Young Stunna. There was one small problem. There was a lack of communication. If you have gone to the airport and so kuchile, you've known this for hours, bruh. You're privy to that information. Do you know how fast that news spreads, bruh? There was no
Official.
anything. But ngati, it was so simple.
Exporters esikwazi.
Export, do you know how it happened so funny to me, bruh? Really power. I think I was just buying my second Zambezi or something, and I mean, hey guys, asambeni Young Stunna. Hey, why not? Young Stunna kabuyi. Oh.
Usina abantu bazakurida wena ngile video yakho uphethe ifoni yakho ubhalethwa Young Stunna is coming.
Nah,
Uyipost.
That's the wrong guy.
Look,
Bro.
okay.
That's the wrong guy. Bro.
Have an exposer.
I don't know who that is. I don't know who that is.
But pause.
But anyway, so like it's I don't know whether it goes to marketing or EPR or something. But if these guys has simply said that Young Stunna is not showing up, but the show is still going on. We've got great acts, bruh.
No, I think
You know what I mean?
Also kumosha vele ama events lapho kobulawayo bro. Ukuthi sesingathi ama artist akhona ama artist bro.
Yeah.
Akhona but audience
The audience.
yaphandle dog abathandi ama artist wala. The moment usithi wena Young Stunna kasabuyi. Give a very show siphelile bro.
But
Yeah.
I will say,
Kbrizzy talented uzabuya perform dog. Vela basela
local
ndaba, dog.
Ucho is not specific to Bulawayo. Really, that's how people are. And I've seen it happen in Namibia. I've seen it happen in SA. Once people hear that the act, the headliner is not showing up, people's spirits get dampened. It's a common thing. I mean, I think once again, abantu laba bengabo I also think, dog, this
Wena
comes.
ukuthi $10 ngani uchechela ngayo.
I see. Go. Let me tell you, dog. Let's go find an album. In entertainment, people get paid for the attempt. There's no guarantee this shit is gonna be good. When I saw taking album, what is the
But you see, what Mgcini was asking, like, what recourse do people have? The unfortunate part is you are talking about $10, right? Let's say $10 imali lose. That's the value of prejudice that you suffered. So a small claims court, because you can't go to the High Court and claim for malenga $10.
Like uhamba uklima vele
Claim, right?
Uyazi,
So now
lo
you
mnyango
need to
we-court.
do what is called a class action. Right, so you need to rally people up. Abantu
Bebe baningi.
bakobulawayo bonke bebe banengi ukuthi
Uze
yeah,
500.
we all suffered the same prejudice because of this and this and this and this and this. So into yankhona vele it's strenuous, you understand?
Lapho
Ukuthi
umuntu
nxa
uyangena-
usuwa, who exactly are you suing? Ngesikhathi
Usustunna.
sankhona. Uyabona?
promoter.
Yeah. So you definitely need to look for a lawyer first. uzama ukuclaim $10 and then
Ulayile
we'll charge you
ukuzela- ulayile
$100
business card.
consultation.
Consultation yedula nje.
You see, we'll charge you $100 consultation ukuthi uclaim
already
$10.
sokuyilahla
Already sokuyilahla, you understand? Why
vele
ungathenga
$10
i-ticket
usucharge
le-VIP
100 uthi
vele?
uthathe 10
Vele mina am I even wrong in saying ukuthi le $10 ekhona sebengafike becalculate ukuthi it's part of the entire experience, it's part of utshwala,
Yeah,
ivenue,
yeah,
isound,
yeah,
amanye
yeah.
ama-acts, security. So wena from $10 liyana uStunna ube worth $2.30.
Yeah,
From
yeah.
$10
I-quantification yankweni yabenzima, which brings us back to what Vuyi was saying. Ukuthi the only things we can turn back to izinto zobuntu nje. Ukuthi no, come on guys.
Sorry, my gents.
Sorry, my
Kangaki,
gents.
bro.
Yeah, sorry, my gents. Asenzenini so, you understand?
Anxa sokukaningi mnathi
So
ngakwasokukaningi.
libaqoboleni ngamambodlela imali laliyitholi. Lilalele mafence.
Now that is
Just like
criminal
that,
what
guys.
you are doing.
Just like
That's
that, guys.
inciting violence.
Mina but I will say, phela my gents, mina I will say, kodwa into yamambodlela ena phela aso stages ka promote esichayiwe. Upromote high sound kaMayibong. uMayibong ngiyosokobolela izpeaker manje.
Kwatshela yena mina ngaqala ngihleka
Baqala bamkobola la.
ngathi sizokuthiwa ndoda uhlekani equipment ingengini ngathi
So abacha lokuza siyabonga ngoba lichayini equipment ekade siyiboleke ByoPodcast. So lingasibona ngenye ilanga sesichanga ama-iPhone sesi back to square one. Thank you very much. Kulo munye usisi ngambona ku video ayangazama umzuma ndodo okhanya ejika imbodlela so.
kulo myesha yama security kule ngibe security abebelinanka lapana dog wachaya wabethwa
Abantu bakobulawe bayakara.
Mina but selizathi but I will also say ukuthi
misdirected anger
I only remember one video, the main one. ukuthi Bulawayo you've embarrassed us, and
uzophefuma kacha
and that's the point. That's the point I wanted to make. That's the point I wanted to make, bruh. You can't say that.
uzophefuma kacha
You can't say that.
mina yakazi the first time sizuzophefuma ngathi ngikuvuka.
Yeah, nalele chance
And then ngasenzisa ukuthi ngubani le yamgamba besithi phela lo egroupini labe ubuya nahleka.
So
uzophefuma kacha
anyway, my point is
iloyal ithe singakhulumi
so my point is you can't say that to people, but you're giving them hope. Or when how can you say that uza performance? Ukwazi ukuthi member lo je kudale kuyelile la.
Nah, maybe they meant
Just say
ukuthi
Bulawayo you've embarrassed us
next
uthi
show.
next time
Next time
Kodwa selikhulumile la.
All right.
but I know okay
But my gents, lekwazi ubumnandi bokuba popular obukholiswa bomgcini. Ivideo yabe izitrendile umgcini ehlethi voice lenyayazi. Emlande singathi jeki nguwe lo.
Uthi ads.
Siyazani meme popular ukuthi jeki voice lengizwi ukuthi nguwe lo.
but I know guys yabona in the future and just nanzelela who the event promoter is yabo kwenze ukuthi kube le accountability yabo even the social media so kube le press statement from the event organizers ukuthi baxolisa
No.
Not really.
There hasn't
but
been.
you know the funny thing is, on the same day, I don't know what it is. I feel like PE, those guys take PR seriously. The funny thing is, I was looking at something that Ashton sent yesterday. It was a press statement of them saying that, no, we're not part of this event.
We're not involved.
but you say they are part of the
The
was that?
streets.
Like the guys from
You
Bulawayo
guys
exclusive
alive.
events.
yeah
These guys, again, I don't know why they send it out.
But make
I don't know
press
why
statement.
they send it out.
like no fanana yes it's fine
Hayi into ethiyona yizi.
Asian
But the point is,
I feel like futhi konokana yikho osokunankisa khona the other party waste dog
But why uzumelele ukuthi uzuqalele ngoku
no but when avela ola reason yokuthi uba ngomsini
Wena uthulele
yakho
wena uthulele
like even kuma streets and akula umuntu okublemayo
asikwazi kulaba de bekhona ingcebo zebefonela sokuthi akathi phoza
but anyways just beware guys
Ala
next,
ama-riddles amnandi la.
and in the tricky ukuthi abanye abantu abasuke ba understand because abahlali lapha i-audience yethu ise diaspora
But it was esingabatshela ngokuthi it was a really amazing weekend in Bulawayo.
Yeah.
Sometimes as a city we don't look like our problems.
Yeah.
We have weekends like this past one where abantu bageza bechene bebe bahle. There were sneakers on display that I've only seen on Pinterest, bro. Bembukela amateke Pinterest, dog.
And you know what's hopeful for me? It's only October, bro.
Yeah,
It's only
yeah.
October, bro. We've got November to get through. We've got December to get through. So this was, for me, it was a prelude. fine, the youngster on a show, but lakona bekugcwele abantu, it could have.
Expo, it was something
And
else.
the expo was just clean, man.
For-
And
for-
that's just October, my G.
For someone not like isutu, right? Ngithe city right mana ngikhipha isutu, let me go out. Ngabe ngifika ku Sneaker Expo lami ngishayela ama jeans lokhu liteki kwami, what I saw there was it was nice. Ekuthi yini? Sneaker.
Okay.
But I don't. Siyabonga.
It was really nice. It was really nice.
I have a question.
So we can say something, eh?
Sorry. Abantu bathusha dog. Gomela babanike something.
I have a question for.
Sabanike ama-oli.
Ezethe TF. People showed up. People had showed up.
I have a question for OJ and Ralph.
Yeah?
Ngathi for his card seat.
Yeah?
We're back.
Sesiqedile
We're back
my
now.
event.
So sibuza la.
Umbuzo wami uthi andikulama stages of dating, guys. Umuntu liyaqala likhuluma bathi talking stage.
So ngama-8 ntambama liqeda uhlala nebhawa.
Liyakhuluma labana. Then not context naleyo. Ngamweshelile kuze. Likhulume labana maybe lihambe on a few dates yabo. Hambe on a few dates. Lokho likhuluma lixoxa futhi. Then ubusunanzelela wena from your end ukuthi ngathi akula compatibility yabona kule zinto like ongasazibonanga like ezikwenza ufuna uqhubeke phambili nge relationship. What's the best thing to do with situation enjalo? Do I ghost? Ngizithulela umsindo angana kwenzakalanga anything or ngibe le conversation lo muntu angikhona ngimtshela ukuthi boza lapha, but again i-conversation yangikhona ngiba layo is what? Because futhi la maybe umuntu angikhona zathi ngimconfront and sithi boza lapha I feel like
It's not make sure.
it's not make sure.
City Valley, it wasn't make sure.
Yabo.
What is your point?
Like what happens with situation enjalo?
I feel like, okay, I have like there's two ways to do it. I mean, I think the best is ghosting. As much as people say it's disrespectful, you just keep quiet and fuck off.
So
And
badala
you
no.
can't unsay words. You can say something to someone and it sticks in their head. Usele trauma uzayithwala futhi
So
in
the
your next
insecurities.
situationship or waqasa ukuzibheka ngani akekho worth it. But ungamghosta
But ungathi
But
it's not you, it's me.
What is
No, ukughosta uyakwanisa
That's the
ucabangela
worst.
okunye phela ucabanga ukuthi maybe wafa.
No, but lapha sengikhulumela like lapha
Ucabangela into eziningi dog.
sengikhulumela i-situation yokuthi Bulawayo
red
dog.
flags.
Like
Ignore
siyahlangana koBulawayo in as much as
Yeah,
ungathi wena
ukughosta koBulawayo.
uzaghosta dog. Indawo le incane kakhulu.
uyathola hla ifoni.
But still mcini kuyibulaya khona alibona ni date phela. Maybe
Yeah,
siyambona
sibonani
after 2 or
date.
3 months
Mina
after.
vele mina
That time
khona ukuthi-
ebeswahila because
okutshela umuntu ukuthi hayi mina it's just that I was like I don't know dog maybe it comes across as a bit cocky and pompous uthi wena usuhlungu phela umuntu khomba ingcene yebeleke thule la ekukhangele letsako lakho ezithulile namatsako kancane uzithulile wena suddenly you are writing in usungutanda in paradise
vele
mina ukuthi umuntu osebenze wathi ngihle ngithi hey
Umuntu wenza i-podcast.
Put red
Vele-
up. Akushiyane la.
eziphe my last email
La vela to yakufune. Cide sokusebenza.
Also, my mom taught me Uti, not every situation needs to be confronted.
You
Some
see?
things you let them fizzle out. Let's say ufona ka 5, kasu ufona ka 2, then 1, then
Then-
0. Naturally kuziflow. And the other thing is uyakwazi kumconfront like mina kulomfana wakwantshetha is over ngathi mina bengingakwazi ukuthi siyajoda. Usungas
Sing.
However, if this is what we're agreeing to,
oh this is people amanglazi
Little different.
nxa kuyikho lokho esikuvumelana ngakho ani, if this is what we're agreeing to,
Change.
why then do people take the end of talking stages seriously?
No, because lapha like, I feel
Somewhere
like
out there, there's someone saying that Vuyi, that one's a dick, bruh. Remember that young ghost? I talking to you,
I feel like
Lami, I've got
ghosting
someone
again,
that you know.
man.
but
Yeah.
ghosting is the polite way of
No,
just
it's
exiting
not.
the room.
Bro.
Nah, it's not,
As
bro.
grown-up people, if you're emotionally and socially intelligent, bruh, you can simply say that, no, my sister, Sesame, Wayada.
Because
I
I'm
think that
insecurities when I allow
the
Linelli
most responsible course of action from now on is just for to go our separate ways.
Manje umuntu ebesesithi
But
dog
when wazubele EQ
Wena
yankhona
songani lapha, breaking up.
it doesn't work.
dog yiyo yena le futhi ekajane ukuthi umuntu esithi I didn't think
I didn't think
what we had going on
No.
even
But into khona guys yini ama insecurities zona la likhuluma ngawo awabi khona yini umuntu ngamghost. I feel like cover waste dog. Because yasalo suzinuyikwapha.
What you don't know won't kill you.
But that sounds like a personal thing that you just have to get over as a person. So umuntu ozakuignore uzazitshela ukuthi itsako lakho. It could be
but umgcini into ayitshoyo mina ngiyayizwa. Do you understand? Like when I talk, and I'm not sure if you guys have been in this situation, bruh. And why not get him on my own? Man, I new sound guy,
it was
man.
just an example.
For example, e.g.
Yeah.
So anyway,
So-
umgcini into ayitshoyo, I kinda hear it because if you guys been in a talking stage, that's really nice, bruh.
Floor.
Sometimes you're more invested in it.
Selibizana baby.
No, not even that, but like
baby, labana.
when you get to a point where you literally look forward to this person's message.
Ujena bangazwanga ujena tengela mai kuthe ibaby libala.
Baby libala.
Ngiyadla manini ngiyakwazi ukuthi inhliziyo or ama feelings awala calendar awala watch anytime is tea time yangena nje whether uyafuna or awufuni
Awuqede lapho
ungabona
sigwazi.
ngani umgcini uyakuchaza uyazibona ucheck ukuthi why ngalala si izinto ezazingakubhodhi kudala or ama post kamgcina engakubhodhi engapost imeme karese ufuba kwazi ukuthi what the fuck does this nigga mean, you know?
I post unyawo ugcina ungasalalanga la.
Uzugugula size 6 monge webulawayo.
Internet went crazy.
So anyway, my point is, even in a talking stage, bruh, emotions are involved.
Yeah.
You are seeing potential in a person and you become invested. Sometimes, bruh, imizwa oyizwayo at that time, bruh, they could be even deeper than if you're in a relationship. Because here we're talking about the prospect of love, not love itself.
Excitement.
Uyabona? So nxa umuntu ohlanyayo
Kunjengisho
nje,
kule kunjenge build up yesho ka youngster.
engazathi uthi, bro. We're not even talking about him coming and then performing a fucked up set.
In this case, Tina, we are the promoter. We just shut the fuck up.
You know what I mean? So I feel like even in talking
Imagine
stages.
remember babeza ibaby saying suchere kuyangistan ambona by babies.
But angumbuzo like
ukungawika youngster phela kwa avoid into eziningi, you know, ama unwanted pregnancies lan.
The problem ukuthi vele i-problem ukuthi 90% of our pregnancies are unwanted vele.
to some extent, yeah. But angazi abantu abasibuyeleyo abasilaleleyo, what do you guys think? What's the proper thing to do? And I feel like kulabantu abadala futhi. Abasibuyele abangasitshela. Abadala.
Ama promoters aghost abantu.
That's a nice one.
But
Okay.
Like me abantu abamature ukudlula thina la. Phela bakhona abamature ukudlula thina ababone ngathi thina sikhuluma idod la.
Yeah.
Abangasitshela ukuthi ku situation enje so like wenza njani.
I think la umuntu akungasuma.
Usuxoxile lo muntu.
I think a problem ukuthi ama-host wonke lapha yithi ama-ghost wangona. He just ghost abantu.
Hamna badala agcina ughost abantu.
Ghosters.
Kudala agcina ughost
abantu. Ngoba lapha kugcwele ama-victimizer.
Dala agcina ughost abantu.
Any
Vele
problem?
guys, i-talking stage queen. I don't think I've ever.
Any problem nge-scenario kamgcini is
It's not
assuming
my scenario.
people
This
go
is
on
just
dates
a general
bengakahlofani.
topic.
Abantu bayahlofana jeki fast. Manje i-problem ukuthi ngazilihlofeni lapha.
Kuba wesi futhi.
Hey, khona
Always.
bayingena emnandi.
Kati ngingaphi lapha?
All I'm saying is situation
Bengisisho i-vibe. How?
situation yona le.
I-vibe mayingena emnandi.
Situation ka breeze.
Shut up.
Take man.
Situation ka breeze yona le isisiba west
ngiyatrigger.
because sokule sex involved.
Sex.
And ukuthi wena uthi usuke usukhipha umntana abantu izigqoko so even worse.
So yaqungisa ibintu stitch.
Ngiyakuzela ukutsho yana, but I'm
But
saying,
again, akwenza ukuthi
I'm
ungene
saying
ku-relationship
even
ungekho
if
happy.
there's no sex involved, bro, talking stages are actually serious for a lot of people, bro.
Ngoba abantu bahlofana kakhulu i-problem yethu. Quick to the top.
Sometimes abantu abatlofayo and I'm talking stage because remember some people
Khulunywa
clothing
afterwards.
is exactly they want to get it out of the way, bro.
What is a talking stage?
Yeah,
Can we start
abantu
there?
bathe talking stage
small.
between
What
the
is
two.
a talking stage?
Hey lona labo abaningi eseqeda kuchuna.
Hayi. I-keyboard yami yabisebenza kuhle futhi
Hey. Usuchuniwe dog. Just let it go.
What is a talking stage? Can we start there?
No, into Jane, abantu babekhuluma vele kudala like abadala bakhuluma before bevumelana ukuthi
Basenze courting, take courting.
Oh,
Discuss about courting.
this one, talking stage.
But any problem yethu.
I think it's part
I've
of the
never been
process.
on a talking stage, bro.
Jane when ufikele uyikwanisa woman.
Aye.
Abantu
No.
bayaflirta
Jane,
ndoda.
you say,
Then
"What
relationship.
you say, like
Talking stage.
Okay,
So talking
uflirta
stage
talking
level
stage.
Jane,
Alright, mawungakabona umuntu enqunu. He talking stage still.
Hayi kanti Jane usuza.
kari Jane anti
Guys,
kukhuluma.
ngangikwazi ukuthi
Hi,
talking
you
stage.
get to know each other
Get to know
before
each other phela
What are you
saxoxa.
talking
we
stage?
How long
realize
does that
ukuthi-
thing last?
Alokhu sokusiya ngawe ukuthi talking stage yakho singelast for
In
isikhathi
layman's
esingena.
terms, you know how I'd classify it, and this is how I don't know if niggas share like this way, and but kudala, like you say, can I get to know you? What happens immediately after that is the talking stage.
before
What's your favorite color?
Do you know why I think I've never been in a talking stage? It just always flows like I'm not saying quick fast to the
I
bed.
think
but
you feel
I'm-
I think
no,
you feel
can
like you're helping yourself, but you're not. You're just digging
can
your
you
hole deeper.
explain, you guys.
Ah,
I know I'm not the only person who's in that situation. I mean, I've never been with people who specifically ask, like, let's say, hey, can I get to know you? Or it just
So
flows
it's more-
naturally.
I think when I
abafana
share-
bazakudula
Yeah,
ngama-dick
yeah,
pic.
yeah.
Nguyini?
Uza kuhola ama-dick pic this week.
No.
I think Jane yini ochera
People
baba
won't
le
get
problem
I'll pick you
nxa
up at
umuntu
7.
ese
Or you start speaking about things that
ese
you have in
ku-ghost.
common and stuff. Yeah? Nginjani?
I think when ungaba part of ochera labana othi nxa seli ghost yikho lapho ususiza khona ubuhlungu because na vele yonke into ibiflow.
Ayime
Indivia.
ngostar. But
As me, I'm
Ghost.
confused.
Ghost ama ghosti.
Ghost
no,
lama
but I know
ghost.
there's girls who have
What,
it
what
like
I'm
that.
saying, Jane, and is that in Lelo Oyibeka ngayo, I know it sounds okay to you, right?
it sound like?
Flowing is all right. Like going with the flow is okay. But in a talking state, there's caution. You know, you're getting to know someone, but you know that there's no label on this shit. There's no
Oh,
expectations.
that's what
There's-
it is.
Exactly. You
Oh,
know.
I know,
So
I had
in the
some.
event that someone ghosts you or someone says, okay, I've gotten to know you and I don't think we're compatible.
I'm sure
You are
ukuthi bake
you are
bangighosta
happy with
ke
walking
kawan.
away.
Ghost
Kali,
la.
so Jay, so as the talking stage, era liana way, people are just getting to know each other, and it's just vibes and knowing where you
Man.
came
Maybe
from.
kuli nuclear.
Is it correct to say ukuthi clearly mina nomgcini lapha selama talking stage angu-1000 ku-podcast le? Because every week we sit here and talk to these ladies about where we come from. Hey, ukamele besenzani? There's a talking stage ayi 500 la.
Yeah.
Uba.
So amankazana
i-podcast lezo
anyone who
lezi
watches this
talking
podcast,
This is the talking stage.
this is the talking stage. Masihlangana, please, let's not waste time. We've been doing this for 90 episodes.
Dala sikhuluma la.
Let's get straight to the action, man.
Dala sikhuluma la.
Funini, uyakwazi ngafunda ngaphi.
So in closing, by the time episode le iphuma, image All Blacks versus the Springboks here we see again.
And this is Sapotani?
Come on, everyone knows.
All Blacks.
All
All
Blacks.
Blacks. And KB's wearing black to represent, baby.
Yeah,
Blacks.
But ule-
You uncultured
eNew
youth.
Zealand kulama visa mnandi.
You uncultured.
Thina
I'm a very happy international orphan. I'm a very happy international orphan, man.
Kulelo
I'll
kuzinini,
support
kule-
Springboks.
kule Twitter ngiyibonileyo. It was
Yeah, I'm lucky I want them to win. But
Zimbabweans are truly obsessed with being South African. Now they're celebrating Springboks win as if it's their own national team. Yo, this level of
Yes.
international orphans.
as
just
xenophobes,
depends.
Africa yonke le nto they celebrate. Whatever pick it out. The
No, but
xenophobes.
my comment on this one is that I feel like umuntu lo one, it was a dizzy take. I think we can all agree on
always
that.
dizzy
It was a dizzy take, but it then, as you as a spectator, as a Zimbabwean spectator, as a Zimbabwean stakeholder in the Rugby World Cup, you must do some self introspection. You know, uzbuza ukuthi alright, iSpringboks ngiyisupport and bengisupport
First of get chechiro.
yeah.
So it is
Go deep.
Springbok.
Anyway,
Can I
sorry,
get
sorry.
you-
It's a very touching topic for me.
But then-
you know, so mina ngangwazi ukuthi the reason why I've been rooting for the Springboks because they're the only African team. They're the best representation of myself at this World Cup at this particular stage.
Jolo Jan van Riebeeck,
Amakhiwa akhona nxa bebabuza ukuthi what are you? But I'm African.
Because izinto
You know what I mean?
says
yeah,
Yeah.
and kunye guys. usiya Kolisi ingadiscover ukuthi amaZimbabweans amsupport uzathaba lo Declerk. But thina seliyenzela uChris Excel la.
Vele lo weclawuna lo
Bona abadlala ku-team they would actually appreciate
You know what I
Africans
mean?
supporting
So
them.
for me, if
local
I
win
know
is just
that the
noise.
reason I'm supporting these guys is because I'm an African. I feel like right now they're the best representation of me and what I stand for at this World Cup in this stage. There's no way that someone calling me an international orphan
So it's
is
not
gonna change
giving
that.
identity crisis.
Not
nah,
even,
fam.
bro. This always happens.
There's never
Kule World Cup
been a
leya,
day
yipi
under
World
the
Cup
sun I
leyana,
supported All Blacks.
uGiyani ndoda eziyenzi.
Asamoah Gyan 2010
Ezechuni
Sasikhamba la.
And also remember,
exactly. Come on, bro.
Also remember, Zimbabwe's interest in the Springboks comes from Tendai Mtawarira, brah. This guy was he's one of the most kept Springboks. Shona man.
akathi wena uthi beast isibongo sakhe ngubani
Mtawarira,
umtawarira siwethe eqatari kathi
ngingazi ngekulo muntu. You know what I mean?
odias
So that's when
Ngikhuluma ngama
Zimbabwean
80s
people,
Kbrizzy.
No.
Special needs.
Eben Cruz.
umtawarira or something umtawarira
You know, so the minute that guy was capped to play for the Springboks so many years ago, Laji zati, you know what? Omunye wetu, he's made it. He's made it out of the hood, bro. He made it out of the hood, man.
Kepesi mngani wami.
nangithi asisupporteni bafana
But no.
But ndoda even now Egypt is still was supporting us
But I
in
think
final World Cup.
into engicabanga ukuthi singayenza podcast le. Asi recordeni si congratulate ama Springboks.
Yeah.
Si record si
Congratulate All Blacks.
All Blacks.
Nah, ngikho.
Okuphuma kuqala.
right asitshaya
Yike siqalisa ngani?
asitshaya hayi all blacks izawina vele sishaye all blacks la
All Blacks. All Blacks. Avele wena ama South African asithandi bro. Vele bemfisa mina ukuthi vele All Blacks iwine bro. Vele. Bekumele iwine All Blacks dog.
I could tell even the way they played throughout ama stages abo
Yeah.
they had strength kubo spring half labo half scrum laba half scrum lwana
Scrum. Yeah.
we passa passa
Lama scrum
man
really
No
deserved
dog.
yeah they really deserve it
ukuthi
really congratulations to New Zealand for once again winning the Rugby World Cup.
And the silence on social media is proudly sponsored by
the
New
All
Zealand.
Blacks, you know?
But what
Yeah.
did they think was going to happen, bro?
Yeah.
It's the All Blacks, bro.
I mean-
Bro.
Bro.
Really,
Yeah.
you know, they were faith. Cut!
Cut sharp.
Part 2.
South Africa.
Chabibi!
All right, Shinsa, listen up. Listen up.
Sounding scrumptious,
All
yes.
right. Kondisi, bro. Kondisi, bro.
I'm a player, but I spring book.
Did you see that
We've got
Sia
Bongi
Kolisi.
Bonambi. We've got Sia Kulisi. We've got Andre
What's the other
Pollard.
guy? We scrot him off.
He's the captain of the team, bro.
Wait, but did you see the video of those rugby players who were speaking closer in a white accent? Umama wami wati.
Oh yeah.
Kondi
Umama
Zola.
wami
Was he clowning?
Kondi
Umfana
Zola.
wami.
Zitimbe.
Zitembe. Faka ishoulder.
But anyways, congratulations
Anyway,
to the Springboks.
Yeah.
For winning the Rugby World Cup.
For
they retained it,
for the fourth time in a row.
For the
time
fourth
in
They
a
are the incumbent as we speak.
Fourth time in a
for the
row.
Fourth time in a row, man.
What did the All Blacks think was going to happen?
You know what I mean,
It's the
man?
Springboks, so-
Bro.
And the point that I wanted to make is that there's one thing that Springboks have that All Blacks don't have. These guys come playing with heart. If we're looking at our squad, then obviously All Blacks is the better squad, man. Was, of course. Yeah, they've been demolished.
Four times
They've
in a
been
row.
demolished.
Demolished.
They've been demolished. Destroyed.
Congratulations
You know,
to
so
the
yeah,
Springboks.
but Springboks plays with heart. You know, they're playing for people in Sentin, they're playing for people in Tembisa.
They
You know what I
are
mean?
playing for people in Mbare.
Imbare, bro.
Yeah.
In
Zulu
Eta.
Fashion House.
In Zulu Fashion House. In
Kanti wena kuthiwani
Nketa.
ngenketha kathi?
Wait.
Kaloku
What's
ugcine
your
kuthiwani
beef with
ngenketha?
Nketa, bruh?
We are playing for people in Kenya. So,
Nketa's a
Why?
popular
Good,
stepper.
it's
congratulations.
Yeah.
One day I'll tell you a story. Episode
Day.
100, I'll tell you a story of what
Okay.
happened.
All right, sir, yeah.
But this has been a great episode of the
Shut up.
podcast in Oko
Some
99.
mate.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe,
Donate pads.
donate
Or
page.
donate pads, please.
No, I like
To
you
our
subscribe, but to
beautiful
donate
audience. Our
Yeah.
beautiful audience.
And if you
yeah.
don't call,
Sack.
If you don't
Sack.
Sack.
And that's a wrap.
Na eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just hit home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me